got niggas paying top dollar at a holler.
I saw you.
Yep, it's definitely more than 18.
Under pressure here, and it's true with most quarterbacks. Argue that too much, do it well as what they do. They did that there at their time. They can the field. Gus Bradley coming in 17% blitz percent of second lowest today, 38%. This is first down. If you don't get it, you're looking for it. Again, a 64-yard field goal with Tucker.
Gordon comes limping off to the side. Again, no Gus Edwards, so it's Drake out there. Andrews and White, both on the right side of the line.
There's the rookie Zay Flowers in the slot.
Looking for his tight ends, and it's clearly in numbers at the 38-yard line.
Something new, I ain't gonna pretend to say new. Something new, I just want you home.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. But she hold me down every time I get up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up.
Not the best idea. All right, I'm recording. I'm recording. Shh. All right, you guys. It's the end of the day. We just finished eating dinner, and Naya's in the tub. I got a package from Timo, so I wanted to show y'all what I got. Whew. It's looking real like damaged package. All right. So first thing I got was a pen. Cause she's been asking for one. I'm actually gonna give her the other one, and I'm gonna keep this one. So I got one of these for one for her, one for me. Oh, I thought these had some spray in it. I got these sanitizer spray bottles. These are like the famous ones that you've seen trending on TikTok. But I got them. I thought they were gonna have spray in them, but it's just the case. So that's that. I also got a box cutter for when I open my packages. A cute aesthetic box cutter. Haha. So this one, I thought it stayed up. Oh, it does stay up. So yeah, got one of those. And as you can see, they're all pink. I hope y'all can see. I know it's kind of far. What is this? Oh, these are for my tissues for the car. So I can get tissues, put them there, hang it up on the thing. I got Anaya a dress. I just want to see what the sizing was like.
What did you get?
I'll show you in a second.
Ooh, cute.
This is your dress.
Oh my gosh. Fill it away. It's on Fill Day.
It says find your way.
Oh.
Can you go finish drying off and lotioning, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Now?
Okay. See, I mean.
Oh. This is a perfume. Baccarat Rouge. I have the Dossier version, but they actually had the Baccarat Rouge in the actual packaging. So I want to see if it smelled like the real thing. Looks like the real thing. Let me see. Doesn't smell like the one that I have exactly, but it is close. I also got a box cutter and wipes. And I have this trash bag holder. I got tired of sticking my my trash bags in the closet, so I got one for them to actually go in. So I'm gonna put it like on the inside of the door or on the inside of my cabinet underneath the sink. Stuff them in there, pull them out here. Call it a day. I got another one of these, but this time it came with trash bags. I did have one of these. I think I got it from Amazon the first time, but I broke the clip that goes on the back, which is this. So I got another one. This actually does come in handy quite often. And I think this clip goes on a little differently than how the other one went on. But this, I use this way often, more often than I thought I would. But I like this one because it came with trash bags. So that'll go in the cart. Okay, smaller than I thought. But I got me a decorative vase for decor. And it came with flowers. This stuff is getting everywhere, jeez. So a little vase with flowers. So that'll go somewhere. I'm probably gonna cut the stems. But yeah, that's how it would look basically. And then, oh, I thought this was something totally different. But this is a fruit disc. You can put your fruits up here. So instead of the brown basket that I have, this would be where I would sit my fruits in. So yeah, just a few home decor, home improvement items. Nothing crazy. I did have quite a lot of other things in my cart, but I wanted to get those things first, just to get them out the way, kind of decorate my home so it feels more like a home, you know? And a lot of this stuff is like $1, $3. So it's not bad at all. I'm gonna test this out and see if it lasts all day like the one I have from Dossier, because that one from Dossier lasts When I say all day, nobody can tell the difference. I had so many different compliments on it. Everybody's like, oh, I know exactly what perfume you have on, even though it was the dupe. So I'm gonna test this one out and see if I get kind of the same outcome. But it'll probably be like over the weekend, not at work. Right now, I cannot smell it on my arm. So, I don't know. I do spray quite a bit though, so we'll see. But yeah, that's what I got from Temu. We are about to, we're about to read and everything, get ready for bed. And then that's gonna be it for the night. I'm tired, she's tired. We're just some tired people around here. So yeah, I'll show y'all how these look once I have them functioning and everything. I'll give y'all like a little update. I have to find some sanitizer spray for these. So that's that on those. And yeah. Hey you guys, today is Saturday, the last day of September. It's the 30th today. No, yeah, today's the 30th. Yesterday was the 29th. Hold on, I'm getting out of breath. I am getting ready to cook dinner. But y'all girl, Anaya, has been giving me hell these last 2-3 days. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know what's changing in her. But it's very evident. And when I say I am tired, I am tired. This girl let a little boy steal her scooter. He was playing with it, but he never came back and went in the house. Okay. What else she did? Damn near broke her ankle. Riding the scooter down the driveway. Was boohoo crying. What else she do? Played with my makeup while I was asleep. And I told her before I fell asleep, do not touch my makeup. Because I seen her sneaking over there. I said, don't touch my makeup. Woke up, she got a whole clown face. Literally, makeup like a clown. And didn't even try to put my stuff back. And I'm just like, girl, what else she did? This morning she had class, tumbling class. She knows the routine. Get up, brush your teeth. That's when you can get your tablet. This girl had her gymnastics clothes on, tablet on. I went to go do something on her, and her breath was funky. And I'm like, I know you ain't just waste 20 minutes. Class about to start in 10 minutes. You wasted 20 minutes doing nothing, and your breath is funky. That then she broke my daggone towel rod in the bathroom, hanging on it like a freaking monkey. And then when I asked her what happened, please don't be mad, please don't be, no, what happened? Because now you about to piss me. Like, all this stuff was happening, and then she did that. And I tell her every single day, do not hang out that towel rod, because it's gonna fall. Then it fell. Now you ready to cry and talking about don't be mad. No, because you knew better. So, yeah. It ain't been a fun weekend for her. It ain't been a fun weekend for me either, but definitely not for her. She's not allowed to go to her friend's house for the next week. That tablet she has not been able to touch that tablet all day. We've been cleaning up. Every single time I look around, she gotta clean up. So it's when I say it's been a weekend, like I'm physically drained. She is drained me. Right now, like I said, I'm about to cook. Put my hair back up in a nicer way. I'm about to cook. I'm doing something real quick, easy, simple. Potatoes and sausage. I'm debating on whether I'm gonna do red potatoes. I'm gonna do red potatoes and sausage and some broccoli or green beans on the side. Something real quick. This takes literally maybe like an hour. And it's all in the oven besides the vegetables on the stove. So quick and easy. I could do that. Go fold clothes, and by the time the food's done, I'll be done folding clothes. So that's gonna be what we eat tonight. I haven't really been vlogging all week. Like I said, it's been a week. A lot been going on, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this now. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow's a better day, cause today ain't it. I just want to check in with y'all, just to tell y'all what's been going on, and just go from there. So yeah.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see you out your face. And you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. Can you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. And you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. Can you feel it, now you can feel it, babe. Kissing you in, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro, come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know, I'll be kissing you slow.
That's it. Talk all my bitches on fake. Don't let that girl fuck anybody. She ain't crashing everybody. Don't have to beat on anybody. Don't not be seen with anybody. Gonna be so hard to clean to that my name, but I wanna yeah, I want to take her out the game. Who's the fucking plan? What's my fucking name? Yeah, flowers from my home. Only let you wrong. Hey, when a cute girl sees bad bitch, you try to get the bad bitch, do every shit, yeah, and don't mind me. Hey, with the bad bitch, get that real done. Every time she goes, and trouble. She with the fucking nigga and thing. Oh, my. I can be glad to love you.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday, October 1st. We are about to do some quick errands. Have to go clean out this car, so we're definitely gonna clean out the car first. I haven't cleaned out this car in like 2-3 months. The car is disgusting. Not as far as like roaches and stuff, but it's just dirty. So I'm gonna get the car washed, clean out the inside of the car, and then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree, see if we can find some Halloween stuff for her to decorate with. And then y'all know it's football Sunday. Football starts at 1, so we got to be back to the house by 1. It's 10:50 right now, so that should give us plenty of time to do that. So we're gonna go get the car washed now. Y'all, we getting a free wash today. I guess it's broken or something, I don't know, but it wasn't taken, like he said, just pull through, so we getting a free wash. Okay. Good, how are you? I need a new bra. Thank you.
Mom, just like a shake reward club.
I don't have that.
Then try to get it.
Hmm?
Then try to get it.
I don't want it. I don't kind of steak and shake that often.
Oh, our app today.
Thank you. You need to put the tops on. Nope, wait till you get home. Thank you, you too. Oh, I should have got an egg.
Why? Play some boots.
No, yeah. You know what now.
Cause in boots how that was and.
I thought we were clean this part. Alright, it's been a few hours since the last check-in. I done took a nap, we done ate, everything. So we're now putting up the decorations and stuff. Yes, I'm watching the football game. Yes, they're finna go back in overtime like they did last time. But let's get these decorations out. No, girl. Like right here.
Bruh.
It can go right there, or it can go on this side by the plant.
Yeah.
Right there.
Navy.
Okay. This I'm gonna have to hang on the door, so you just put that to the side. Put it to the side.
Where?
Just on the side.
This should be overturned.
When you see the nose,
I need scissors. Can you go get some scissors?
I see it the same way. If you try to get the hand underneath,
It's a family you can count on. Introducing the Silverado, Colorado, and Silverado HD ZR2 family of trucks.
Said the same damn thing. Now niggas paying top dollar and holler. I'm out that pretty brown frame, and I don't mean the Impala. This you just hopped out of. Say more about your business. You must be religious. This guy done took her time. And you're tired of hearing those same old lines. Looking out for something new. Can't look the same to you. Looking out for something new. With me, I wanna get on with you. Something new. I ain't gonna pretend to look the same to you. Something new. I just wanna get home with you. Truth is, I came to know ya. Don't give a damn about the things I told ya. They don't have a clue, but they don't need you like I do. You don't need champagne, rather be held tight and maintained. I wanna know everything about you. The first I gotta talk to you. Love, something new. chance to spend some time. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? Something new. Something new.